Hey guys, welcome to another video of SM Solution. So in this video, I will explain you which time frame are the best for day trading, especially when you want to scalp. I'm gonna show you exactly which the two time frame that I use, why I use them, and an example, live example. Even if I didn't trade today, I still was checking on the market. I had a couple stuff of taken care of, so that's why I didn't trade. But let's start. So this stock was that I was looking is SFIX. So you can actually see that there was no activity in pre-market, like no volume, not a lot. So those type of stock usually when I see a pre-market like that, I actually don't trade them. I don't want to trade them because I don't know where's the support or resistance of the day. So I rather find something else. But I still want to show you this one because on this one you can see why you have to use two time frame at least when you day trade. Okay, so you can see that the stock around 935 ish, it went up to 1943, pull back, another up, a small consolidation, after another went up. And at this time of the day, a lot of people, I'm pretty sure, was thinking that okay, it's gonna go a small pullback and go up. So on the 1 minute, you will think that because you can see here there was a small pullback, went up, small consolidation, went up, and you will think that this time here it will be the same thing because you don't have any sign that sellers are in control on the 1 minute. You don't see nothing that's telling you that that the stock will not go up again. So this is on the 1 minute. So now I'm gonna show you on the 5 minute. Okay. So on the 5 minute, you can actually see that the stock it's almost like a straight line. No pullback on the 5 minute. You see here since 940 to 955, it went from 1835 to 1998 with no pullback on the 5 minute. So when you see something like that, you have to think that there's a pullback coming because stock cannot just go up like that without a pullback. So if you didn't see the 5 minute and keep just the 1 minute like this one, you see pullbacks on the 1 minute. So you will think that these things can go up again and you will maybe try to trade on the long side. But on the 5 minute, when you see that, you can actually see that there was no pullback. So you have to expect a pullback because on the 5 minute, it's important to see a pullback too. And on top of that, why I have a daily chart always, so I'm gonna show you on top of that what you can see here. If I put it like that, do you see something? Right, there's a double top. So basically, if you check the daily chart, you knew that around this price there's a resistance. On the 5 minute there was a resistance, on the 1 minute, 2, whatever time frame. But on the previous day, you see that around $20 there's a big resistance. The moment that it touched this area yesterday, the stock crashed. And what it did today, the moment that it touched, the stock went down. So from $20 almost to 1783, big money here. So you see that you need to check at least two time frame. I always have my daily chart, my 1 minute and my 5 minute. Like this, I can see actually everything. So basically, when you see something like that, first of all, on the 5 minute chart with no pullback, just going up straight line, you know that you need a pullback. Even if the stock went to go up, they need a pullback. You need a pullback. And on top of that, another sign to go short was, oh, there's a resistance here and it formed a double top. You see here one top and two top. Even if it exceeds a little bit, it doesn't matter. It's still a double top. So because you know it's a double top, when the stock touched the top, usually it go down. So another sign that you need to short. So that's why I always keep, I'm gonna show you I always keep my chart something something like that. I always keep my chart like that. Like this I can see my 1 minute on top, my 5 minute, and my daily chart. So with the daily chart, I knew that there was a resistance around $20. I saw the 5 minute that the stock went up with no gap, it went up with a straight line with no pullback, sorry. And on top of that, I saw on the 5 minute that it was a double top. So when you have two charts like that, one for the 1 minute, one for the 5 minute, and one for the daily, honestly, you can see actually everything that you need to see to day trade. The 1 minute is my go chart because I like to get in and out in like quick, max 10 minutes. So you need a 1 minute just to see exactly. Sometimes you can be in a stock for like a couple of seconds because in 30 seconds the stock can move actually really quick. So yeah, that's the video of today. So I just wanted to show you exactly what time frame I use because I received a lot of DMs talking about time frames. For day trading, honestly, 1 minute, 5 minute, and the daily chart are the three frames that you need to see. The daily chart, I use it just to see like the big image, to see where's the resistance, where's the support, what was doing the stock in the past days. 5 minute, it's so good when you have something like that because on the 1 minute you see that there's pullback, but you will never guess that the stock will crash at this price if you didn't see the 5 minute and the daily. So that's my tips. If you have any question, leave them on the comments and don't forget to like. Thanks guys, have a good one.